इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar, welcome to Simplify Your Space. No matter how big or small our kitchen is, we all want it to be efficient, clutter-free and easy to work in. But often without realizing it, we make small mistakes that lead to wasted time, lost space and unnecessary frustration. Whether it is improper storage, ignoring useful spaces or simply not organizing things smartly, these little habits can make a big difference in how smoothly our kitchen functions. In today's video, we will talk about some common kitchen organizing mistakes and more importantly, how to fix them for a more efficient and stress-free cooking space. Let's get started. If your kitchen counter is cluttered with multiple small appliances and other items, it not only looks messy but also reduces your working space. The countertop is the most active area of the kitchen, but many people place mixers, toasters, spices, cutlery, snacks and other items there, making it cluttered and inefficient. The right approach is to keep only the essentials on the countertop and store the rest in cabinets and drawers. For example, I use my air fryer and dough kneading machine frequently, and since they are large and heavy, I keep them on the counter to avoid taking them out repeatedly. However, I store lightweight and compact appliances like blender, toaster, egg boiler and chopper inside the cabinet, taking them out only when needed. Additionally, I keep water bottles, chopping boards, a knife holder and oil dispenser on the counter. One side of the counter has a two-tier rack where I store tea, sugar and salt container. Keeping the countertop minimal makes cooking much more convenient, provides space for storing prepared food and makes cleaning up afterward effortless. One common mistake people make while organizing their kitchen is not grouping similar items properly. Keeping the same type of items separately can make your kitchen feel unorganized and inefficient. Always store similar items together for better accessibility. For example, keep all your cookware like pressure cookers, kadhais, milk pots and tea pans in one drawer or cabinet, as these are used regularly. Store frying pans and tawas together and keep plates, glasses and bowls in the same section. Similarly, all storage containers should be placed together. Avoid keeping some cookware on one side of the kitchen and others on the opposite side. Also, never mix different categories of items unless you're facing a space shortage. This method ensures easy access and keeps your kitchen organized and efficient. Adding drawers to your kitchen is a smart way to keep small items well organized. However, if you simply dump things inside without any system, your drawers will always be messy, making it difficult to find items when needed. This not only wastes your valuable time, but also leads to frustration. The best way to keep drawers neat is by using drawer organizers. If you need to store cutlery or small kitchen tools, you can use a cutlery tray to keep them properly arranged. Another great option is using wooden dividers which help in sectioning the drawer and keeping everything segregated. This way, all your essential items will be easy to find, neatly placed and accessible whenever required. Never underestimate the importance of drawer organization. A well-organized drawer system saves time, reduces stress and makes your kitchen more efficient. Lower corner cabinets in the kitchen are usually deep and if not utilized properly, they often turn into dumping zones. Items stored inside can easily be forgotten, making the space inefficient. If your deep cabinets don't have pull-out shelves or organizers, retrieving items becomes difficult and things tend to get lost over time. To maximize space and keep your deep cabinets organized, install pull-out shelves or sliding trays. These allow easy access to stored items without the hassle of reaching deep inside. You can also use shelf risers or pan organizers to make better use of the vertical space. If you need to store items at the back, consider using baskets so you can simply pull them out when needed. Properly organizing deep cabinets ensures everything stays accessible and prevents clutter buildup. Items that you use rarely should never be stored in your main kitchen cabinets. Instead, keep them in a higher cabinet or shift them to the pantry or storeroom. For example, I use my top cabinets exclusively for storing occasional use items. In one of these cabinets, I keep my large pressure cooker and stand mixer, which I rarely use. Similarly, my coffee machine, which I only use for a couple of months in winter, is also stored in an upper cabinet. If such seasonal items are placed in the main storage, they take up valuable space meant for everyday essentials, making it harder to access frequently used items. The same applies to duplicate kitchen tools, such as extra spatulas, knives, mashers, or lemon squeezers. To avoid clutter, store all the extra or duplicate items in a separate box or basket and place them in an upper cabinet. This simple organization hack saves space and ensures a more efficient kitchen setup. Kitchens often have many small random items that don't belong in regular utensil cabinets or cutlery drawers. These include rubber bands, chargers for rechargeable appliances, paper napkins, manuals, straws, toothpicks, birthday candles, zipper bags, food wrapping materials, extra seasoning packets, and ketchup sachets. Storing these items alongside your regular cutlery or utensils can quickly clutter the drawers, making it difficult to find what you need. To keep things organized, designate a separate drawer specifically for these miscellaneous items. In my kitchen, I have a dedicated junk drawer where I store all such things. I use drawer dividers and small bins to keep everything neatly segregated, making it easy to locate and access items when needed. If you don't have extra drawer space, you can use a basket or storage box to keep these random items together. Even small recycled boxes can be used to create compartments within a drawer or basket, ensuring everything stays in its place. This simple organization method prevents clutter and makes your kitchen more functional. Most kitchen cabinets are designed with significant height, but if you look closely, a lot of the upper space often goes unused. Even when you stack items, there is still plenty of wasted vertical space. Instead of letting this valuable storage area go to waste, maximize its utilization with smart organization techniques. One of the best ways to do this is by using shelf risers. This helps create additional division within the cabinet, allowing you to store items both below and on top of the riser. This simple trick ensures that every inch of your cabinet space is efficiently utilized. Paying attention to such small details can help you store more items in a limited kitchen space while keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Many people overlook the space under the kitchen sink, but it can be extremely useful if utilized properly. If this area is kept clean, you can install an under-sink water purifier instead of traditional wall-mounted purifier, saving valuable wall or top cabinet space in your kitchen. Additionally, the under sink area can be efficiently organized to store cleaning supplies, making it a functional storage spot. Instead of ignoring this precious space, especially if your kitchen has limited storage, use it wisely to keep your kitchen neat and clutter-free. No matter how beautifully you design your kitchen or how many cabinets and drawers you add, if you don't utilize your space efficiently and organize things properly, you will always struggle. Organizing plays a crucial role in home management, especially in the kitchen. When everything is neatly arranged in the right place, you can save a lot of time and effort. Good organization not only makes your kitchen look more presentable, but also helps maximize storage space. Using the right organizers, baskets and dividers allow you to segregate items efficiently, making your kitchen a more functional workspace. When things are well organized, they are easy to find and you always know where to put them back after use. For me personally, organizing has been a game changer. The reason I truly enjoy cooking today is that my kitchen is clutter-free and well organized, making it a space I love spending time in. If you also want to enjoy cooking, the first step is to declutter, clean and organize your kitchen properly. Organizing does not mean you have to buy expensive organizers. You can even use DIY storage solutions to keep things tidy. Kitchen organization and DIY organizer ideas are something I have shared in many videos, and you can find their links in the description box. A well-organized kitchen is the key to an enjoyable cooking experience. One of the biggest reasons a kitchen becomes overstuffed and cluttered is hoarding unnecessary items and not decluttering regularly. We often buy things thinking they will be useful, but when they don't meet our expectations, we still hold on to them out of guilt instead of letting them go. To keep your kitchen clutter-free, start by removing unnecessary items. Get rid of containers without lids, damaged bottles, and excess takeout containers that serves no real purpose. Often we also receive kitchen items as gifts during festivals or special occasions. But if they are not useful to us, it is better to let them go rather than let them take up valuable space. Decluttering is the first step towards achieving a clean and organized kitchen. If you dream of having a functional and well-arranged kitchen, make it a habit to regularly assess and remove items that no longer serve you. Lastly, many of us make mistakes these days by blindly following trends. Social media constantly showcases interesting and cute kitchen tools, jars, and cookware, making us impulsively buy them without considering whether they are actually useful. Even though I recommend many products, I always emphasize the importance of mindful shopping. Avoid impulse purchases and take time to research and evaluate whether you really need a product. Unnecessary shopping will only lead to more clutter. You might buy trendy items, but there is high chance you will rarely use them. For example, mason jars have been trending for years. They come with an airtight seal and a locking system. I bought a set of 3 a few years ago to test their functionality, but I did not find them very convenient for my lifestyle. Their locking system is too tight, requiring extra effort to open and close. The heavy lid is always attached to the jar, making them difficult to wash. Because of these drawbacks, I never repurchased them. Instead, I prefer glass jars with simple lids, which I have been using for years. They allow me to see the stored items easily, refill them quickly, and clean them effortlessly. So rather than getting influenced by trends, focus on functionality. Choose what works best for you. For instance, if you live in a joint family, glass jars may not be the best option for you. Acrylic, plastic, or stainless steel might be more suitable for your needs. Always analyze your lifestyle and storage requirements before making purchases. Don't rush into trends. Organizing your kitchen the right way does not just make it look neat, it also makes cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. By avoiding these common mistakes and making small yet effective changes, you can create a kitchen that works for you, not against you. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any organizing hacks or if you have made any of these mistakes before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more organizing tips. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next one. Till then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.